Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all on this video. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this keyboard from Ant Esports. Just now I received this from Amazon, and let's get in. And yeah, this is my first mechanical, including this one backlit gaming keyboard. Yeah, I mean, need to mention this three because this is not my first keyboard. This is my first mechanical blah blah blah, and its model version is MK3400. Go and check out the link in the description area. You can get it if you want. This is also comes from the blue switches option. There is also red switches I found, but I'm not sure whether it is available from Anti Sports. That's all. Let's get in. We need to. Okay, there is one manual, and there is two protective film, one and two, and the price is I think at the time of purchase it is 1500 or 1200. I'm not sure, but the price is varying one, so it's not in my hand. Okay, the unboxing went wrong, little bit torn. Yeah, heard that sound, man. Heard that sound. Okay, we are having a keyboard. Let's keep this aside. And what else inside? This is the manual. So yeah, you have some extra key options like a function keys there. This is a little bit beautiful because this comparing to laptop, this is good, and some customer care warranty card, blah blah blah, extend warranty, some details are available here. Let's get in the keyboard. That clicky sound. I'm not sure whether you can able to hear the clicky sound, but it is awesome. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, fine, good. And you can see the spacings between the keys and the pad. So I can remove these buttons with the help of the key remover. Sorry, yeah, key remover. And whenever I'm gaming, definitely the people, the those who are nearby to me, they can able to hear this one. And one more thing, this is also like a what should I say, some 25 keys support. So if you want to do leap of faith from Assassin's Creed, you can do this because my previous keyboard can't do this. That's why I'm changing. Fine. And also this is, you can see this is a gold plated, so this is good for the connectivity. I hope so. For this price you can get for like 1,000 plus, you can get backlight or LED, RGB. Yeah, mention RGB. Okay, not anything else. RGB, and numpad keyboard with function keys in it. Also, there is some mechanical option. Function keys here. Mechanical keyboard with this clicky sound. That's a blue color one, not red color one. I'm reminding there's a blue color one. Okay, fine. So if you want to purchase this one, go and check out the link in the description area. It will be helpful for you, not me. And it's me, Famika, signing off. Which all guys in my next video. If you want to help me, please go and subscribe, like this video, share if you want to. Peace.